So we specialize in repair parts for industrial air compressors. So you have an air compressor, it's broken, you want to repair it, whether you're a business or a handyman, and you want to fix your own air compressor. We sell the parts, but a little different than like an Amazon or another store where you just get the part. We have technicians on the phone and answering chat and answering email who can answer questions about the part, how to fix it. Yeah, so I was running multiple businesses and got tired of it. And so I just wanted to slow down a little bit. And I've sold two, so I'm now at just the one business left that I'm going to keep for a while. So yeah, it was more just age and not wanting to work as hard. It's 7 days a week. There could be problems at night. It's not like a shop that closes at the end of the day. I wondered what the market was like, if we were going to be able to find somebody, how long it was going to take, how much time it was going to take of mine. So yeah, I had a lot of, I don't say fears, but a lot of anxiety over the process because I had sold and bought before. So I kind of realized how it worked. And so that's why I wanted to try something different and what attracted me to try this approach. The business works best with somebody who has a warehouse. We've tried to use 3PLs and it just doesn't work well with a 3PL. So I wanted a buyer who either had a warehouse or was willing to get a warehouse to stock the parts. So that was a specific buyer I was looking for. And I also wanted somebody who wasn't going to do SBA type financing because it can take a long time. So that's also hard. But we found both. We found somebody who has an existing warehouse in Texas, and they financed it with a little bit of seller financing, but a very small amount. What I liked is the ease of the platform. What I found with a lot of business brokers is it's very, they're not into the technology as much. And so you end up with a lot of things via email or via phone calls. And, I'm selling an e-commerce business. I'm used to platforms and systems and processes. So I wanted that type of a solution for this. I liked also just even early on having the feature where there's enough information shared with folks who don't have an NDA in place where you can get them interested and then get them to that next level. Because a lot of times you want to get people shopping, you want to get interest, you want to get eyes on it. So I like where you can share detail, but maybe not so much. And then if you get to the next level, you can share more. And then if you get to an LOI, you can share more. So that funnel of information, but I didn't have to recreate the information. So it was just more about you put it in there once and then certain pieces are shared depending on where they are in the process. I found it a lot better, and it could have been maybe brokers I used in the past or the sellers or buyers I was working with. It just always seemed to take much longer than you would expect. I mean, in this case, I can't remember exactly when we started, but it was after the beginning of the year, and I had the business sold by July. I got the exact price and terms I was looking for, and we closed actually, I would say faster than I expected, and we closed on time, which is great. Yeah, so it was just under $500,000 sale price. It was a 10% seller financing paid over 5 years. I think having somebody help you through the process is really important. And check out the cost difference. The commission amount I paid with Baton versus what I've done on other businesses, I don't remember exactly, but it's in the around 10% difference in cost. So which is huge. So on $500,000 deal, that's $50,000 difference. So I think that's what I would tell folks is find a partner, find someone you trust, a process that's going to match your timing and your cost structure that you're looking for.